Good afternoon, everyone. We welcome you back to Animal Crossing New Leaf Welcome Amiibo. We hope you're having a good day today. and, let's read Canberra's first. Whatever. Your choice. You really weren't too good anyway. You should normally be. Your house would be right here, but it's gone. But, sayonara. Let's do our coffee duties for today. Let's go ahead and I'll go get my. Apologies. Alright. Alright. Excuse me. Hello. We did the last thing yesterday, but we're going to do it the first, like as usual. Chatter. Okay. Kilimanjaro coffee beans. Lots of milk. And 3 spoonfuls of sugar. It's pouring down rain in the game. Elmer. Blend. Lots of milk. And 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Well. That's hard. Might be a good thing, actually. Joey. I think he was here yesterday, if I'm not mistaken. Blend coffee beans. No milk. And no sugar. Wow. Pretty strong. Phineas. Kilimanjaro. Lots of milk. 3 spoonfuls of sugar. Wow. All right, thank you. Okay. I enjoyed last night being at Hillside Park. It was wonderful. I'll say it again whenever we get out. Like I said, I enjoyed being at Hillside Park last night. It was really fun. I made the way over there last night, okay, fine, good and everything. On my way back, oh shoot. But on my way back, though, Joey. I will try. I really got busy. I forgot to catch the Horde Dynasty or whoever. It may have been for Tuesday, but I don't know. A week from tomorrow will be my 20th birthday. Wow, look at this. It's cool seeing two villagers together when you going. Thanks for having me, boys. Golden nugget. No camper. But we gotta go. We have to get one sometime because in order to get our 10th villager here. Now that Kimbera wanted to leave and everything, and so she's gone. Sure. Alright, let me go get one for you. Let's see. I'll give you a wet orange. Will that count? I've got some things I need to sell. Exotic Bureau? What do I need to sell here? The coffee, superb coffee beans. Exotic Bureau. Let's drop this brew store. We'll keep that. We don't need an exotic bureau. I'm gonna clean this up later. I'm just trying to save storage right now. Anyway, okay. We'll pick them up maybe at the end and we'll figure out what to do with them. Sahara, come with me. Alright. I do need to water those flowers too. I don't know what I'm having for dinner, but... Whoa, look at this. We'll keep this for sure. Wow. There are several things I do need to get rid of, and we'll try to do that maybe in another time or something. I'm gonna just see, what do these walls look like? Okay, I just forgot about that one. No, we get rid of the Manor wall. And what is the kitty wall? Let's get rid of all three of these wallpapers, including the flooring. I mean, it's not like it's the end of the world, though, you know? Whoa. Bam, 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 bam. Tapping those. And then this. We'll. Oops. There we go. No. Let me see what I have up here. What? There's nowhere for you to sit. I'm sorry. What are you doing? I have been cleaning a good bit of my room today. Yeah, it's looking a lot better, but it's still, you know, nowhere near, great. What? The cat sometimes gets pretty annoying. I'll have to put a blanket there next time, Tabby. I'll put a blanket under there next time, Tabby. She keeps meowing, kind of drives me nuts. Then I drove to Hillside Park last night, and then it was not bad getting up there. I had to have the Google Maps on me just to ensure. Whenever I got back, I mean, I got like 90% of it right going back, but the problem is I didn't take the turn that follows it on the left with whatever road. I thought there was like no stop sign or whatever. I don't know. But I'm going back there next Wednesday night. On the 29th, I'm going to be on vacation. So I'll be really sad about that. Because I love being there. And it's like it's so good and everything. And let's see here. We're going to start a project in just a moment. Well, after we sell the stuff, okay? It's like I'm making a lot of money each day, basically. Hello, chatter. Sit. Gosh, it drives me nuts sometimes. Apologies, I didn't mean to do that to y'all, but she sometimes drives me a little nuts. I do love making the... I'm sorry I didn't pay attention. I do love making Hillside Park as part of my Wednesday routine, which it's a blessing. I don't know what she's trying to do. She sometimes drives me nuts. I don't know when I'll take Dad's car back out or something. I don't know if we'll just wait till Sunday or what. I'm sorry, I thought somebody was in here. My bad. We're gonna refurbish or something now. Let me ask Cyrus if we can refurbish this sofa. I'm gonna send this to somebody, maybe. You know, we won't even be back here in 30 minutes, so. It's been quite peaceful here this week. I mean, it's been a good week, I have to tell you. I really have enjoyed this week. I mean, no offense to Mom and Dad and McKenna, but sometimes they do yap a lot. But my sister, though, she means well, I guess. It's not that Dad don't mean well. I mean, he's fine, but it's just, I don't know, y'all. Everybody just has different situations and things of that nature. I want to bring another torch again. Put it on like the left side of the map or something. Because I think, you know, those are pretty crucial and important. Alright. Now, I don't want to put it in the way of things, but what do you say about this spot right here? Nah. Let's move it down a little bit. More wide space, I guess. The better, I think. Maybe. There we go. Very nice. Let's go ahead and pay this off because it's a pretty easy loan. $29,800. All right. Pretty nice. May not look too good. I could have put it over here, but it's okay. It's nothing too bad to worry about. I have 2 more college summer assignments. I need to work on the essay, which I think I know what to put now. And then need to work on a reflection question, then I'll be finished. Well, what was that? The first letter, well, thank you for keeping that forever. I appreciate it, my friend. Far, my left, my right hurts just excuse me. My right heel hurts just a bit. My right heel hurts a bit. It's been hurting for a little while now. I mean, it doesn't hurt like when I try to stand on it, It hurts. It just for some odd reason. But I don't really know. I may have to get that checked out. Maybe go see a doctor or something. Maybe check that out. I don't know. Yeah, I'm fine, but it's just, if I have my shoes on, I can walk decently fine, but, so, we're going to Darius next Wednesday night for devotion and another thing, I think, too. So we're looking forward to that. It's going to be next Wednesday night on July 22nd. Let's check our bulletin board. Oh, this Saturday's the bug off? Oh, okay. Well, just keep that in mind. Thank you so much for watching our episode today. I'm going to let you loose here. That way you can enjoy your Thursday without having to hear me yet. But anyway, I enjoy doing this episodes with you every time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, check out my videos. And I'll see you sometime tomorrow afternoon. God bless.